Chef Buck here, and today we're going to try, or I'm going to try, this. You know, I see these in the Asian market all the time, and I posted one on Facebook, a picture of it a couple of weeks ago, and somebody told me that I should give it a try. And I mean, I love the look of these things because it's interesting. It's a whole shrimp stuck on a piece of bread. I'm not even sure how it's affixed on here. It's a roll. It's like a little baguette roll that's been sliced in half. And then this shrimp has just been affixed to it. I mean, it's got the legs, the head, the tail. Doesn't appear to be deveined. I mean, that's fascinating. I mean, as far as foods go, I haven't seen this in a lot of places. Lamb seafood downtown in Seattle in the International District. I don't know what that is that's holding that shrimp on there. The head, the tail, you know, maybe you're not even supposed to eat this. Maybe this is supposed to be like a coffee table decoration. It's actually very good. I'm kind of shocked. It tastes like the shrimp my mother made when I was a kid, but it didn't look anything like this. This was gonna be a joke video. You know, I bought this thinking that I wasn't gonna like it. I thought I would buy this. I thought I would start to eat it, and then I'd be like, you know, it needs a little help. And then I was gonna put jam on it. I was gonna put like strawberry jam on it. You know, and then eat it with the jam on there. And then I was gonna say, you know, that didn't really make it any better. You know, like, but I don't know what to do now because it's actually pretty good. It feels very fried though. Something about her, maybe it's just old. Look at that, boom. Down to the tail. Oh well. You see ideas of things, you know, combinations of things that you don't normally put together, which isn't even true because, you know, one of my favorite foods in New Orleans was a shrimp po' boy, which was basically fried shrimp on a sandwich. And I mean, this is pretty much the same thing. It just looks a little more startling. It looks like art. This looks like, I wouldn't be surprised to walk into a damn art gallery and see something like this hanging on the wall. You know, that's why you should shop at different kinds of markets and try foods that are new to you. And a lot of them, I mean, I eat plenty of things that don't really trip my trigger, you know, that aren't my style. But every now and then, or actually more often than not, you'll pick up something and you'll be like, well, that's interesting, but it's probably not gonna be something you'd wanna eat. And then, what the hell, you end up eating it. Well, that's all I got. There's a shrimp on a piece of bread. You can see the tail, you can see the head. And maybe in an hour I'll be dead, but